Hey guys, if you like this makeup look, keep watching. So first we're going in with Smashbox primer, and this is the one that I use most of the time. Just gonna get that all over. So next we're gonna be going in with Cover Fix Power Play Foundation, and this is in the color G40. This is the first time I'm using this one. I always use my Born This Way by Too Faced because that's the one that works best for me, and I'm putting it on the brush because it's a little drippy. I guess this is how this one is. Okay, next we're going in with Cover Fix Power Play Concealer, and this is in the color G Medium. And if you have any other blemishes that you want to cover, this is really good to cover. Mine is usually just under the eye issues. I'm going to set everything with Smashbox powder, and this is in the color Light Medium. And with this one, I just like to use the pad that it comes with. Well, actually, I don't think it came with this pad. I think I put it in there. Anyways, I like to use the pad on that one instead of the brush because I really like getting it in there. I think this powder, I have the other one in color Fix also, but that one doesn't cover as heavy as I want it to because I want this makeup to last till evening. And I found Smashbox has very good coverage, so if you guys want very good heavy coverage that's gonna last till evening, I would go with Smashbox. It looks very natural, as you can see. And as you all know, I love using Airspun loose powder under my eyes before I do the eyeshadow. That way, if I have any fallout, I haven't tried the ColourPop one yet. That's what I'm gonna try today. So I don't know if it has any fallout or not, but because my face is already done, I'm just gonna put this under my eyes just in case it does have fallout, and we can just brush it off later. So it's just gonna kind of bake there. So next, I'm gonna use my Kathleen Lights ColourPop eyeshadow palette that I just received yesterday. And these are the colors. Aren't they so pretty? I've never used ColourPop eyeshadow before, lipstick yes, but not the eyeshadow, so it's gonna be my first time. So I'm gonna go in the color Turquoise, and I'm gonna do that all over my lid. And this is kind of a look that Carli Bybel did, so I'm gonna try to create that look, but I'm adding some different colors to it. So, but it just kind of caught my eye how she did the turquoise with the rhinestones also, so I'm gonna do some rhinestones too. So this should be fun. So let me get the turquoise on the brush. And I'm gonna need my little mirror so I could see closer. And oh yeah, this is very, very pigmented, as you can see. And yeah, I do see some fallout. It's a good thing I have that powder on. So let me get this all over the lid. Okay, so we have the turquoise on. We're not done with turquoise yet. So next we're gonna go in with Rose Quartz, which is this color right here. We're just gonna kind of put that into the crease and blend it over the turquoise. So we're gonna take that turquoise again and just kind of get it into our crease, blend it in. Color is very, very highly pigmented, so we're going to take something right there just to kind of drag it up a little. Next, we're going to get the color You're a Gem right here. It's kind of an orangey color. And That we're just gonna go right above it right here to kind of add a little color. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with the color Stoned, and that's gonna be on the outer corners, so kind of the outer V. I'm just gonna kind of keep everything matte, like how she did. I have a lot more eyelid than Carli does, so I have to be careful not to overdo it and look like Miss Piggy. Okay, I did my eyebrows real quick off camera, so now I'm gonna go with the color Pearl, and that's gonna go under my brow bone. Brow, not bra. I have overdid it here a little. Okay, and in the tear ducts, which will probably not last in my eyes, but my watery eye issue. So for my upper lash line, I'm going to go in with Blackest Black, and this is the 24-hour L'Oreal Infallible Gel Eyeliner. I'm going to try to do this on camera. If not, I'll have to do it off, as you guys know I can't see that clear. I think even if I had contacts, I couldn't see. I have to like literally be in the mirror. Should I get help? I actually did it. Okay, so we got the eyeliner on both. So next, on the lower lash line, we're going to go with that same turquoise color we put on the lid. And that was going to go right under the lower lash line. Yeah, this eyeshadow palette is very high pigmented. You guys should totally get it. You will love it. The only fallout I had was in the beginning with the turquoise, but I think it was just because it was a new palette. I had no fallout after that. That was the only fallout I had. So I highly recommend you guys get this. So next we're going to put on the rhinestones first. So this is going to be the glue, and we're just going to put 3 on the top above the eyeliner, and I'm going to be going with the turquoise color. So let's see how we do on this. Just put the glue first. Right here first. Okay, and I'll do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, got the rhinestones on, and we just did 3 on each. I hope they're even. They look even. So next we're going to go in with mascara. Still have to do the bottom lashes, but first I wanted to go in with this blue eyeliner. It's called Ocean Blue. I didn't have a teal one, so we're going to try this blue one. And we'll see how long this lasts on the bottom lash. My eye was watering so bad a minute ago, I had to go and just kind of give it a break for a sec. I do not wish this issue on anybody that I deal with. Okay, got that blue one, so I just have to put the mascara on the bottom. Okay, so now we're going to work on the face again. I'm going to use, the brand I'm going to use is Bare Minerals, and this is a blush. And I'm going to use that Peach Though, see which is the first color. Just gonna stipple it first. love how the eyes came out different from the looks I do. It's kind of a fall look, definitely an evening look. Next we are going to bronze away and sculpt at the same time. So I usually just stipple all over first and then I'll go and blend in. I'm sorry, I didn't even tell you which bronzer I'm using. It's Hula by Benefit, which is the one I mostly always use. And let me contour my nose. Coming to the end, and I'm forgetting to tell you what I'm using. So next I'm going to go in with my highlighter and just kind of lightly do my cheeks. I didn't see Carli doing it, but I'm going to do it. So I don't think she had it on. It look pretty matte, but we'll see. Just a little on the cheeks. My little brush right. Okay, so the face is done, and what is left is the lips. So because the eyes are so dramatic, the eye look, we need to keep the lips nude because we want all focus on the eyes. So if we do red lips, it's just gonna clash. So yeah. So anyways, I'm gonna go in with this brown lip pencil by, I still need to get lip liners, and this is by Italia. Okay, I really didn't need to lip line it, but because I'm going in with this color, it's by Anastasia, Beverly Hills, and it's called Starfish. I just didn't want my lips just one color. I did want it to look outlined a little bit because, you know, I am tan naturally, and the lip color would kind of all blend in. I didn't want that. So I wanted it to kind of stand out. Okay. And if you guys haven't tried this yet, this lip, how would I say, lip color by Anastasia and Beverly Hills, you have to try it. It will stay on all day. I have like a few colors in this and ColourPop. Yeah, and it's, your lips don't get dry or anything. So all right, let me do my hair real quick and throw on some bright color earrings. I sprayed a little extra on, and this is the Tarte Stay Spray. It's the one I always use, and I said we were over, but we weren't over. I remembered, I'm like, wait, we need setting spray because we need this to last till evening, as it is our 9th wedding anniversary, so we are going to go out. So I want my face to still look fresh. All right, be right back. We are done. We are done. What do you guys think? I like how this look came out. I'm glad that Carli created this eye look. I did do a few changes here, and I think she did put a lot more turquoise on, but I kind of went a little bit lighter on it because my eyes just kept getting brighter and brighter the more I piled on. You know, did a little different with my face. Lip color might be a little bit more brown, but and of course, you know, my skin tone is dark naturally. I'm tan, so yeah, so I mean, it's pretty similar look of hers, but I don't know, I just like how it came out. And I also had some chunky earrings too, and very colorful. Can you guys see how colorful they are? And added that, and yeah, so it kind of pulls the eye makeup look with the rhinestones and all that. And look at my background, I got that galaxy look going on there. I kind of look like a galaxy lady. So yeah, so the hair is done. I just left it down. I mean, I was thinking about just putting the sides up, that way the earrings show, but I think you could still see the earrings whether the sides are down too, because they're huge. Look how big they are. All right, guys, well, if you like this look, go ahead, share this video, comment on this video, subscribe if you haven't already. Today is my husband and I's 9th wedding anniversary. We have been married for 9 whole years, but been in love since 1995. So do the math. So yeah, so I created this look, and we're gonna go out this evening. I did a lot of setting spray, sprayed it on there, piled it on. So it's 12:30 in the afternoon now. We're probably gonna go out like a little bit early too. It might be like around 3:30 or so. So I'm sure my makeup's still gonna look the way it looks now. So anyways, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Do subscribe, please. All right, guys, take care and be blessed. Bye-bye.